When English speakers try to use the expression I was gone in Spanish, it gets a little bit tricky because you think that you need to use the verb ir, but no. What do I use then? Well, you could also say I left or I wasn't there instead of I was gone. Those are the ones that you can use in Spanish. Irse is the verb to leave, and that's one way of using to be gone in Spanish. Ellos se van de vacaciones la próxima semana. Ah, yo me había ido cuando tú llegaste. You could also say, take care of the dog while I'm gone, or take care of the dog while I'm not there. So that's the one that you're going to use in Spanish. Cuida al perro mientras no estoy. Did I just forget to say ahí? Mientras no estoy ahí? No, a lot of time we just say it that way, in a short way. Mientras no estoy. Ella no está. So now you know, when you ask for someone, is Valeria there? And the answer is no, no está. You're not going to think, she's not what? She's not there. She's gone. Let's do a little practice. Shh, dile que no estoy. Mi abuela no está y la extraño mucho.
If you consider my work helpful for you, you can buy me a coffee. I would be so happy.